Greetings, ghouls and goblins. Step into the shadows, where spooktacular surprises await. It's time to unmask your inner monster with our new Spawkoween cutout masks. These spine-tingling masterpieces are not your ordinary masks. They're a scream come true. They're perfect for both little monsters and grown-up ghouls. Each Spawkoween cutout mask package includes 3 frightfully fun designs with wickedly wild options like the Finkster, the Pride, and the Creature. And the best part? You get to create your own hair-raising horror with each one. Just follow the easy cutout guides, assemble your masks, and voila! You and your fiendish friends are ready to haunt the night in style. These masks are so fiendishly fun, they'll make you scream with delight. Whether you're lurking in the shadows or creeping through the moonlit streets, our Spawkoween cutout mask packages ensure you're the life, or should I say death, of the party. Perfect for Halloween, or anytime you want to send shivers down spines. So don't be a scaredy cat. Embrace your inner monster with Spawk & Company's Spawkoween cutout masks. Each package includes 3 sinister surprises. Get yours today, and let the spine-chilling adventures begin. But remember, my dear fiends, wear them responsibly. You never know what fiendish fun awaits. Spawkoween cutout masks by Spawk & Company. Unmask your inner monster, if you dare.